single cache. One important moment. I mostly talk about page cache here, but you should remember that there are other caching facilities inside the server. For example, metadata cache. In Classic, if you have a quite complex metadata, maybe thousands of tables, a few thousands of stored procedures, triggers, and so on, they totally consume quite noticeable amount of memory. This is what is called metadata cache. And sometimes, if your database is so complex like I mentioned before, it is really possible that a metadata cache consumes more memory than the page cache. So you should be aware of that. And actually, Super Server is also designed to work around this issue as well. So both page cache is shared, metadata cache is shared as well. And you know that every thread has a limit of stack. In Firebird, 2 megabytes of stack. And if you will be allowed to use a lot of thousands values in the in predicate, you just overflow the stack and process or your working thread will die. So it's just a safe limit that is guaranteed to work on all platforms we support, because they all have different requirements to the stack level. Another explanation is that you know that SQL statement has limited length, just 32 kilobytes. So you again parameters are useful when you have single statements that is used often. The engine could cache some query and check. Well, this is one of the cases when compiled statement cache helps. It doesn't help with parameters, but it helps with dynamic SQL text. But still, I'm sure that parameters will work better because just no need to keep a cache at 2.1. The original Firebird 2.1 release has contained a few bugs, as you know. So, well, it works good, but you could notice some issues there. We have just released Firebird 2.1.1, the first point release, which fixes all the known problems with the original release. And we consider this version to be the better in terms of performance. Common recommendations: use big page sizes. Maybe not 16, but at least 8 kilobytes.